Hello guys, today we will talk about how to set up Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. So we use Jupyter Notebook separately or using Anaconda, but we can also use it in VS Code now. So how we will set up VS Jupyter Notebook in VS Code? Let's talk about it. This is my VS Code. Now I'm going to open a new notebook. So how we can open it in VS Code? So just press the key combination Control Shift plus P, and here you will get a command Jupyter create a new notebook. So you just have to enter that command or press enter. Now it will open a new notebook, Jupyter notebook for you. Now we can write any code in this line like print hello. So it is same like Jupyter and you can run it just pressing Control and plus enter, and this will give you the output. Now if you want a line after this line, okay, so you just need to press this plus button and it will insert a line after your current line, okay, like this. And if you want to delete this line or any other line, here you have a option of delete, so you can just delete this line. Okay, we have two options here, one is code and another one is markdown. So the code button will insert a line to code and mark button will insert a line to markdown. Okay, we just need to click on code or markdown according to our need. Okay, just like this. We have an option of export also. So if you want to export this file, so you can export from here, and you can export in three formats: Python script, HTML and PDF. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.